quite feeling like spring break.
You know, it's not going to quite feel like spring, which is why we have a WFA weather alert. And it's for Sunday and Monday, specifically Sunday night and Monday, the impact for the beginning of spring break. And it's a strong cold front that arrives on Sunday. The winds pick up Sunday, gusting close to 35 miles per hour. That brings on colder air. A light freeze will be possible north of DFW come Monday. Monday morning wind chills in the 20s area wide. And I'll show you those numbers. What you need to do at this point is make sure to stay updated on the numbers with us. You can do so by following us on WFA Plus. It's free to download, but bundle up, grab the jacket. You likely needed it this morning. You'll need it again come Monday morning. Look at these temperatures though. Today is 65, 77 on Friday. We climb to the 80s on Saturday and Sunday. So we'll see this gradual climb in our temperatures the next several days before we take a next big dive. Monday, the high down to 53 degrees, and then we warm back up gradually every day for spring break. But look at the low temperatures. I want to highlight specifically our WFA weather alert time frame because the high of 82 on Sunday, compare that to a low of 38 come Monday morning. That is an over 40-degree temperature drop in less than 24 hours. It'll be a bit of a shock to the system. Now, today, dealing with our own little cold snap this morning. We're up to 51 degrees after starting the morning off in the low 40s, about 35 degrees colder than yesterday. But at this time yesterday, we were about 18 degrees cooler. So noticeably different today is all those numbers are telling us. Noticeably cooler today. And today, with the help of sunshine, we do make it to about 65 degrees. We'll have a light north wind in place at about 5 to 10. Temperature still dropping off on the quick side tonight. We drop to about 54 around 10. 52 degrees around midnight. Today, a high of 65 in Dallas, 66 in Fort Worth, 63 for Denton and in McKinney. It's actually not that far off from what's considered normal for March. March, this time of the year, we generally see a high near 67 degrees. We're at 65 today. It just feels noticeably colder because we have been dealing with warmer than normal temperatures the last several days. Our low tonight still drops to about 47 in Dallas, 46 in Fort Worth. That's pretty much where we should be this time of the year. But again, a cool night. You might want a light jacket in the morning. All right, big event going on this weekend, the Java House Grand Prix of Arlington. It kicks off tomorrow, lasting through the weekend. The mornings will be cool on Friday, but Saturday, Sunday a bit mild, and then it warms up. 81 degrees Saturday, 82 on Sunday. Sunday, though, those winds really picking up, gusting close to 35 miles per hour. So if you're planning on being out there, that is something to consider. This is also going to be the time frame when that front arrives. So on Sunday, when we have that front coming through, that high, let me take you back here, that high of 82 degrees, this happens around 2 in the afternoon on Sunday. The front comes in, it drops those temperatures through the evening. So I know a lot of people going out on Sunday, especially in the afternoon, evening time frame. You may want to bring a light jacket with you. I know you're not going to want to because the high makes it to 82, but the winds kick up. We'll see those temperatures progressively cool Sunday evening into the overnight. By Monday morning, this is what it'll look like. 38 degrees in Dallas, 37 in Fort Worth, 34 in Denton, 35 in McKinney. I think some spots near the Red River could very well see temperatures get very close to that freezing point. So a light freeze possible. And because the winds are still going to be elevated on Monday morning, it'll still be kind of breezy. It's going to feel colder than the actual temperature. Our wind chill Monday at 7. 27 in Dallas, 26 in Fort Worth. That's why we're highlighting Sunday night into Monday morning as a WFA weather alert, because it'll be a drastic change from what you experience over the weekend. But after that, we'll see those temperatures gradually climb. 60s on Tuesday, 70s on Wednesday, 80s by the end of next week into the following weekend. Morgan?
So it gets better for the kids. It's going to come together.
It does, but a little cool to start.
All right, you get a bit of everything. We love it. Thanks, Mariel. Well, this